Hey guys, it's me, Elite Gamer 4091, but you know me as Boom19. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we have just joined Jailbreak. We're gonna just drive around and talk about the big news. So if you guys have not heard the big news, I am currently working with another YouTuber on a song. I know you guys are thinking like, Ben, why, you guys are thinking like, why would you be doing a song? Well, that's what I thought, but then my friend goes, well, who writes these messages? So my friend goes, did you know that people who make songs about Roblox on their Roblox channels get more subscribers? So I'm like, yeah, that's totally true. So I do some research, and we're making kind of a spin-off of Oofer Gang, but it's going to be called Bacon Hair. So the other YouTuber is Bran87. I don't know if you guys have heard of him, probably not. He's like one of my really good friends. So we are going to be making a music video with him about bacon hairs. And speaking of bacon hairs, that one left right as I was going to take his key card. Alright, so we're just going to be driving around, and then I'll talk to you more about the news. So can you guys get out of the freaking way? Alright, so we're going to go hop on into a car if we can find one. Ooh, lag. Stop lagging. Alright, so we're gonna go explode the explode wall. You know, I haven't played Jailbreak in such a long time. I stopped after I bought like all the cars. But ooh, FurDog440, what do you want? Alright, so he's probably gonna be chatting me, so I'm gonna get out here and then see what he wants. Alright, no, wrong button. Alright, let's... Damn it! Alright, no, we don't want that. We want this. Alright, no, he didn't say anything. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try again. Hopefully we don't become the lag dads. Alright, so we're gonna go on. Alright, so we got out. And we're gonna go hop into a car, and I'll tell you more about Bacon Hair. Alright, I want to be the one driving, because I gotta talk to you guys in the secret spot. And I am the only one in all of Jailbreak that knows how to get it. So I'm gonna steal this loser's car, and then skedaddle on over. Oh crap. The car ain't working. Alright, so we're just gonna drive away. So while we're waiting to get to the secret spot, I'm gonna tell you more. So instead of the beginning going like Oofer Gang, Oofer Gang, Oofer Gang, we're gonna go Bacon Hair, 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 and like spend 0 Robux on the new chill face instead of spent 2 Robux on new chains. So if you people know what Oofer Gang is, it was kind of like a spin-off of Gucci Gang, and then we're making a spin-off of a spin-off. So whatever the frick that is, me and my friend Brandon87, we're gonna be making it. And so I'm gonna go head on over to the spot that I think Brandon87 also knows how to get there, but he has never put it in any videos before, and I am going to be putting the secret out. I am going to be putting the YouTuber recording spot where me and my bro Brandon, well, not my brother, my dude Brandon, where we used to start all of our videos when we played. So we're gonna head on over to the spot if our thing would just stop lagging. Alright, so... Oh my god. Like, are you for real? The freaking... Okay. Alright, so here's more about the song. We are going to be doing an exclusive... Alright, so more about the video. Alright, while we punch this, we are going to be like using clips. Like we're going to record clips of us playing as Bacon Hairs probably. And then we will have it in a long time. Because we have, I don't know, it's just gonna be hard, you know, because can't just always be 24/7 good YouTuber with like school. So that's pretty much the video. So see all of you people next time, and remember to subscribe. And I hope you have better. Oh yeah, I heard if you subscribe to my channel, you have really good luck. Oh yeah, and I heard that if you tap that it turns blue. So you guys should go check that out. Tap the thumbs up button, watch it turn blue, and you will probably want to hit the bell and turn that blue too. So it's actually pretty cool. So go do that right now. The video is now over. Stay tuned. And see you all on the next video. Peace.